Uh, Hello, my friends. Uh, I welcome you to my video. Uh, Tonight, I'm going to talk about gas metal arc welding, one of the most uh, important method of welding. Uh, my name is Mustafa Asadi. I am graduated of manufacturing engineering. Let me start my presentation about gas metal arc welding. Gas metal arc welding, um, or GMAW, is an arc welding process that joins metals together by heating them with an electric arc that is established between a consumable electrode wire and a workpiece. And externally supplied gas or gas mixture acts to shield the arc and molten weld pool. Although the basic gas metal arc welding concept was introduced in the 1920s, it was not commercially available until 1948. At first, it was considered to be fundamentally a high current density, small diameter, bare metal electrode process using an inert gas for arc shielding. Its primary application was aluminum welding. As a result, it became known as metal inert gas, or MIG welding, which is still common in human culture. Uh, Subsequent process development included operation at low current densities and pulse direct current, applications to a broader range of materials, and the use of reactive gases, particularly carbon dioxide and gas mixtures. The latter development, in which both inert and reactive gases are used, led to the formal acceptance of the term gas metal arc welding. Uh, the GMAW process can be operated in semi-automatic and automatic modes. All commercially important metals such as carbon steels, high strength low alloy steels, stainless steel, aluminum, copper, and nickel alloy can be welded in all positions. By this process, if appropriate, shielding gases, electrodes, and the welding primers are chosen. Now I want to talk about advantages of this method of welding. The application of the process are dedicated by its advantage, the most important of which are electrode length does not face the restrictions encountered with sheet metal arc welding. Welding can be accomplished in all positions when the proper parameters are used, a feature not found in the submerged arc welding. Welding speeds are higher than those of the SMAW process. Uh, Deposition rates are significantly higher than those obtained by the SMA W processes. Continuous wire feed enable um, line welds to be deposited without stops and starts. Penetrations that is differ than that of the SMAW process is possible, which may permit the use of smaller sized fillet welds for equivalent strengths. Less operator skills is required than for other conventional processes because the arc length is maintained constant with reasonable with reasonable variations in the distance between the contact tips and the workpiece. Minimal post-weld cleaning is required because of the absence of a heavy slack. This advantage makes the process particularly well situated to high production and automated welding applications. With the advances of robotics, gas metal arc welding has become the predominant process choices. These are the advantages of um, gas metal arc weldings, and now I want to talk about limitations. The gas metal arc welding process, like any welding process, has certain limitations that restrict its uses. The welding equipment is more complex, usually more costly and less portable than SMAW equipment. And the welding arc um, must be protected against air drafts that can disperse the shielding gas, which limits outdoor applications unless protective shields are placed around the welding area. Relatively high levels of radiated heat and arc intensity can hinder operator acceptance of the process. And these are the limitation, and this is the end of the part one. Excuse me if I read the presentation too fast, because of the sake of the time. And you can take a picture and a screenshot of your screen and use it later, um, or tell me in the comments and give me your email or some other ways for having this presentation. Thank you for your attention.